Hello Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lori, and in this community we aim to educate, motivate, and inspire each other in all things travel related. So today I'm showing you a view inside this beautiful Marriott property in downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. And this is close, within about a mile's distance of one of the largest historically Black colleges and universities, HBCUs, which is, of course, North Carolina A&T. So downtown Greensboro, North Carolina, I'm going to also show you a few places that we ate. I basically went there for the John Legend concert, which wasn't able to record, obviously, but definitely had a great time, and I'll show you around and give you a little bit of insight, and stay till the end to see if I would stay here or not again. Keep watching. Let's go. Now this is the entrance from street level. If you simply drive up and park temporarily to go in and register, you enter into this grand entryway. There is a ATM machine right there next to the smart vending area, which is then of course next to the registration desk. This is the bar area. So there are some high top tables as well as some lounge seating there. And then this is the dining area, the restaurant area. This is the entryway from the garage. You enter on the second level. So you can look down and see the walkway from the garage area into the hotel on this level. Also on the second level is the fitness center, which I must say I was very impressed by. Now I won't be here long enough to use the fitness center. Well, maybe I will tonight, but I figured I would show you guys anyway what the fitness center looks like. Cool, they've got AirPods. You can recycle your headphones there. Dirty towels, clean towels. All right, let's see what the rest of the area looks like. Really cool. Oh, somebody's in there working out. Very cool. All the standard equipment that you can find. There's a stretch zone too. Or is this a Peloton? Very cool. Very, very cool. Balance ball. Yeah, I could definitely get a quick workout in, get a quick stretch and some strength work. And that's it. Now let's go up to the third floor and have a look at room 316, which I later discovered has 2 doors to enter the suite. Okay, what's this called? What's this suite called? Okay, let's check out the suite. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's another door. Make sure we lock that. And another bathroom? Is this another bathroom? Okay, first things first. Loving the suite. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Floor to ceiling glass. Simple rain shower head. I'll tell y'all later on the screen how the pressure is and the temperature and all of that. I'm loving the modern feel. The backlit vanity, open space underneath. All right, let me put my drink down. Sorry about that. What's in here? Closet, robes, lovely. No slippers, but okay, can handle that. Let's check out the bed area. Full-length mirror, lovely. Lighting under there, as well as there. That's the backlight. Okay, cool. King-size bed. What is the view like on this suite? It's all right. You get a view of the main street down there. All right. Now let's check out the seating area. What does that door go to? There's all kinds of doors. Oh, it's a connecting room. Okay. I generally don't like connecting rooms. But you got a full seating area, view to the bed. I'm sure this is a sofa bed. Yep, it's a sofa bed. So you got to pull out more modern decor. Lovely floor lamp. Arched for reading. I wonder if you could spin the TV around to this area. It looks like it spins, yep. Okay. More cool stuff. Now let's go back and check out the bar area. Check out the lovely art. A little see-through so you can serve. If you have guests, you can have a staff do that. Space for jackets. That looks tacky. I don't know what's going on up there. But, all right. So you got a mini fridge. All right. Water, microwave, storage area. What is here? Usually there's a trash can under most places, but there's no trash can. And just some places for coffee and tea and stuff. A little wet bar area. Cool. All right. That is room 316, or suite 316, I should say. Now, the first place I would recommend to eat is Crafted. Of course, you know I only go to A-rated establishments as far as their health score. This is a taco restaurant. It's a very open space. I ordered the Bollywood taco, but I got it in a bowl form. It had marinated tandoori chicken and came with a side of fries. Everything was delicious, absolutely delicious, tasted very fresh. The next restaurant I would recommend is a French-inspired cafe. So it's great for breakfast and brunch, and that's Chez Genèse. This was another A-rated establishment, another win. I ordered a fruit crepe with strawberry and creme fraiche. I had a regular mimosa and then topped it all off with a pain chocolat, or a chocolate croissant. So what do you guys think of the hotel? Beautiful property. There was a little bit of noise with some students or some young people who were there for a baseball tournament. They were running around in the halls and such, but loved it and would definitely return within walking distance to the venue for the John Legend concert. So if you're going to attend an event at that venue at Tanger, then you definitely wish to stay at this hotel because it's literally just around the corner. You don't even need an Uber. You can just have a leisurely walk. The bar did not stay open until very late, and neither did the kitchen, so you may want to keep that in mind. Double check when you check in to see what time they're open, of course, because this may change depending on when you're watching this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you learned something new, if you enjoyed the content, if you enjoyed the view, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you hype the video up, and I look forward to you sharing the video and coming back for the next one. As always, be sure to value experiences over things, because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you richer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.